Quick video to explain the Renew Protect, considering Renew Protect just doesn't compare to the so-called protectants on the market. This is a very new concept. It's actually a true restoration, a true treatment for long-term preservation. So we've got our three products: Satn, Blak, Gloz. Same copolymer base, high gloss, our lower gloss, and our mid-level gloss, which is infused with carbon black, which is why this tire, RV tire, as you see, is a really rich dark black. The black is a competitive UV absorber, which is why all your trim work and tires typically are black. Great way to explain Renew Protect, being that such a new concept product. That is Renew Protect. If you allow Renew Protect to dry in a dish, this is the Gloz product. These are the solids remaining. Very elastomeric copolymer. So that is what you're doing. Penetrating the surface, locking down, and sealing over. Here's the Blak product. Again, dry it in a dish, pull it up. That's the concept. You're actually restoring or replacing. It's a great restoration product. Another option some people like, you can use the Blak, which has the black carbon black pigment. You can use the Blak as a base coat, followed by the Satn or the Gloz to give you a really color enhancing, higher gloss, really intense long-term seal. This particular RV tire, the owner treats this tire once a year with the Blak. This year we came and cleaned it up for him for annual cleaning, and there's such a high level of the carbon black remaining in the surface, we didn't really feel the need to replace with another seal of carbon black. We used the low gloss Satn on top of the remaining black. I would say about 40–50% of the black is remaining from last year. And we often get a question about the amount needed. For a daily driver, a regular car, recommend about 4 to 5 ounces, likely what you'll need for a full year. This is an 8-ounce bottle. We have a 16-ounce bottle. We also supply wholesale for fleet usage by up to gallons, drums, you name it. Our second treatment, considering this is done each year, these tires are done each year. Last year was a treatment of the Blak. This year we came back and treated with the Satn. It took about under 2 ounces to do all 4 of these large tires because the sidewall is sealed over from last year with Blak, Renew Protect Blak. So it only took about 2 ounces to redo these tires. Originally 3 to 4 ounces to do these tires for the first treatment, because the first treatment will penetrate and lock in. Second treatment, you need about half the amount.